Hello, my name is Justin Smith, and I'm the Public Information Officer with District 5 of the Idaho Transportation Department. Thank you for joining this online open house. Today we will cover information about 3 projects along I-15, including the South Blackfoot Interchange at Exit 89, the US 26 Blackfoot Interchange at Exit 93, and the I-15 Exit 89 to Exit 93 widening. ITD is developing plans to address the long-term needs for the I-15 corridor. Since the construction of I-15 in the 1960s and 70s, Eastern Idaho has seen incredible growth in population and traffic. In the last 20 years, average daily traffic along this stretch of I-15 has grown from 17,500 to 25,000 vehicles per day. In another 20 years, an estimated 48,000 vehicles will use I-15 near Blackfoot daily. ITD is developing these 3 projects to improve safety, accommodate continued growth in the region, and meet current design standards. Let's start by discussing the South Blackfoot Interchange at Exit 89. This interchange is located where I-15 crosses over US Highway 91, just south of Blackfoot. This is an important access point for nearby businesses, farming operations, and residents in the Fort Hall and Blackfoot communities. ITD is developing plans to replace this interchange. In this online open house, you can learn about the project, view preliminary design options, and provide your feedback. Your input is important and will help the project team as they continue to develop the design for the new interchange. ITD is also developing plans for the I-15 Exit 89 to Exit 93 widening project. This project includes plans to widen I-15 to 3 lanes in each direction between the South Blackfoot and the US 26 Blackfoot interchanges. Your input will help us understand the needs of motorists so we can address them with the design of the I-15 expansion. The final project we have for you to consider is the US 26 Blackfoot interchange replacement project at Exit 93. This interchange lies at the heart of the city of Blackfoot, where I-15 crosses over US Highway 26 and is a vital transportation link in eastern Idaho. This project is nearing completion of the design process. At this online open house, you can view the planned designs for the interchange and submit your input. The project team will review your comments to make sure we are on the right track as we finish up the design process. Please review the information displayed in this online open house and let us know your thoughts. You can do this by filling out a comment form located at the bottom of the webpage and selecting the Submit button. We look forward to hearing your feedback on these projects. Thank you for participating with us online and learning more about what is being planned for I-15 between Fort Hall and Blackfoot. Please direct any additional questions or comments to the contacts appearing on your screen. As always, have a great day and drive safely.